Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in Framer. This is a fundamental skill that allows you to create seamless navigation between different sections of your website, making it much more interactive and user-friendly for your visitors. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to framer.com and log into your account. Make sure you have your credentials ready so you can access your dashboard without any delays. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard where all your projects are displayed. From the dashboard, simply click on the project that you want to edit. This will open up your design workspace where you can make all the necessary modifications. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to Framer, as this is where you'll be spending most of your time creating and linking pages. Now for this tutorial, I have some sample sections already set up. We're going to try linking both text and a button to other pages, which are two of the most common elements you'll want to make clickable on your website. Let's start with the text element first. Click on the text that you want to link and highlight it by dragging your cursor across it. Once it's highlighted, look over to the right side panel. You'll notice there's an option labeled Link. Directly under that, you'll see a field that says Link To. Go ahead and click on that field and a drop-down menu will appear showing all the available pages in your project. Select the page you want this text to navigate to. This creates a direct connection, so when someone clicks on that text, they'll be taken straight to the page you've chosen. Next, let's do the same thing with a button. Click on the button element that you want to link. Again, on the right side panel, you'll see the Link To field. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select another page you want the button to link to. Buttons are great for calls to action, so linking them properly ensures your visitors can move through your site smoothly and intuitively. And that's it. Once you've finished setting up all your links, click the Publish button located in the upper right corner of the screen. This will save all your changes and make them live on your website. Your pages are now connected and your navigation is fully functional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.